Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today we will discuss how to set your time zone on eBay. In practice, that is not possible. You cannot change your time zone because almost all of eBay runs on the Pacific time zone, and unfortunately this setting cannot be changed. Instead, you can change your time zone on the in the settings of your phone, but again unfortunately you cannot set your time zone on eBay. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.